Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a GOT2B lifestyle and I'm back with another video. Yes, I know it's been a while I post a video, but yes, I'm back guys. So in today's video I'll be installing my wig for the first time. I've not done it before. So this is the wig. It's a T-frontal wig. It's not a new wig, I've installed it before, but I'll try doing that myself today using this GOT2B spray, the glue version. Yes, so let's get into the video. The thing I'll be doing is using my foundation to blend the pattern. How to lay my edges down so that the glue won't stay on my hair. And since I'm not using it for a long time, I'm not doing the cap version using glue and all. I'm just going to apply the wig on my head directly using the GOT2B spray. So allow that dry a bit. Make sure it's dry.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
So guys, please make sure you like this video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more video like this, tutorials video, let me know in the comment section and I will share my little knowledge with you guys.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, I remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart it race, so catch me if I fall. Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late.
And also I'll use the feathers oil on my hair. That's what I use for my straight weave. Yeah, and you're good to go. You can see. And yeah, you're good to go. It's so easy and fast. The major thing you need is just the GOT2B glue. Once you apply it, you allow it to dry a bit, then you place your wig. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe.